What's up, tech fans, and welcome back to Qualcomm Pulse. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of the biggest stories hitting the headlines today. We're diving deep into Broadcom Inc., uncovering Schmidt PJ Investment Management Inc.'s latest moves, and checking in on how Broadcom's international sales are shaping up. Plus, we've got the inside scoop on Hock Tan's massive AI revenue targets, and a look at how Acorns Advisers LLC is playing the market. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Schmidt PJ Investment Management Inc. adjusts Broadcom stake. Schmidt PJ Investment Management Inc. has recently adjusted its investment in Broadcom Inc., a significant move in the semiconductor industry. In the first quarter, the firm reduced its holdings by 0.9%, selling 1,032 shares to now own 111,012 shares of the semiconductor giant. This makes Broadcom, valued at $18,587,000 in their portfolio, the sixth largest position for Schmidt PJ Investment Management Inc., representing about 3.4% of their total holdings. This adjustment by Schmidt PJ Investment Management Inc. comes amidst a period where other large investors, such as IFM Investors Thai Limited and Acorns Advisers LLC, have also modified their positions, indicating a dynamic market environment for Broadcom. This news has sparked considerable discussion among investors and analysts, with many watching to see how these shifts in institutional ownership might impact Broadcom's stock performance. The semiconductor sector, and Broadcom in particular, remains a key focus for market watchers. Don't go anywhere, because what we're about to reveal about Broadcom's global reach is truly eye-opening. Next up, we're breaking down Broadcom Inc.'s reliance on international sales and what it means for your portfolio. Broadcom Inc.'s global footprint, a deep dive into international sales. Broadcom Inc., a major player in the global chip market, is heavily influenced by its international operations, making a close examination of its overseas revenue streams crucial for investors. The company's total revenue for the last quarter hit $15.95 billion, a solid 22% increase year-over-year, but the real story lies in where this revenue is coming from. Europe, the Middle East, and Africa contributed $2.27 billion, or 14.2% of Broadcom's total revenue, slightly missing analyst expectations. However, the Asia-Pacific region was a powerhouse, generating a staggering $8.96 billion, which accounted for 56.2% of the total revenue and exceeded analyst projections by 3.8%. Looking ahead, projections for the full year anticipate a total revenue of $63.16 billion, with international markets continuing to be the primary driver. This significant reliance on international markets presents both opportunities for growth and potential risks, such as currency fluctuations and geopolitical instability, which are closely monitored by Wall Street analysts. This intricate global revenue breakdown is a key factor influencing analyst forecasts and stock performance, as evidenced by Broadcom's current Zacks Rank 3 hold. The stock's recent performance, outperforming both the S&P 500 and the technology sector, underscores the market's attention to these international dynamics. But what if we told you Broadcom's future could be even bigger, powered by a massive bet on artificial intelligence? Get ready for the incredible AI revenue targets set for CEO Hock Tan. Hock Tan's AI ambition, Broadcom Inc., targets $120 billion in AI revenue. Broadcom Inc. is making a bold play in the AI space, with CEO Hock Tan poised to potentially earn over $676 million in performance stock units tied to ambitious AI revenue goals. The company's board has granted Tan a significant package of 610,521 performance stock units, PSUs, contingent on Broadcom generating a staggering $120 billion in AI revenues by 2030. This initiative places Broadcom at the forefront of the AI frenzy, aiming to capitalize on the rapidly expanding artificial intelligence market. This isn't just a future projection. Broadcom has already demonstrated substantial growth in AI revenues. In the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2024, the company reported $12.2 billion in AI revenues, a massive 220% increase year-over-year. More recently, in the third quarter of fiscal year 2025, AI revenues reached $5.2 billion. The PSU structure includes tiered payouts: a 200% payout for $105 billion in AI revenues, a 100% payout for $90 billion, and no payout if revenues fall below $60 billion by the deadline. Tan's ability to achieve these targets will significantly impact his compensation, with provisions for early departure under specific circumstances. The market is reacting strongly to Broadcom's AI ambitions, with shares rallying to new all-time highs. Analysts and investors are closely watching these developments, recognizing the transformative potential of AI for the company's future growth and profitability. This aggressive push into AI positions Broadcom as a key player to watch in the ongoing technological revolution. While Broadcom is making waves, some investors are looking for different opportunities in the AI space. We're now turning our attention to how other firms, like Acorns Advisers LLC, are strategically positioning themselves within the market. Acorns Advisers LLC boosts Broadcom stake amidst market shifts. Acorns Advisers LLC has significantly increased its investment in Broadcom Inc., signaling a renewed confidence in the semiconductor giant's potential. According to their latest filing with the SEC, Acorns Advisers LLC expanded its holdings by 24.3% in the first quarter, acquiring an additional 818 shares to bring their total to 4,184 shares. This strategic move has raised the value of their stake in Broadcom to $701,000, reflecting a notable adjustment in their portfolio. This acquisition by Acorns Advisers LLC occurs within a broader context of significant institutional activity surrounding Broadcom. Numerous other investors, including Barnes Denig Private Wealth Management LLC, Cheviot Value Management LLC, and Inlight Wealth Management LLC, have also established new positions or increased their existing stakes. This collective interest from institutional investors, who now own approximately 76.43% of Broadcom's stock, highlights the company's appeal in the current market. The semiconductor manufacturer's stock has seen considerable analyst attention, with firms like Deutsche Bank, Oppenheimer, and Bank of America issuing updated price targets and buy ratings, underscoring a generally positive outlook. The market consensus, as tracked by Qualcomm Pulse, points to a buy rating with an average price target of $351.92. This increased activity from firms like Acorns Advisers LLC, coupled with positive analyst sentiment, suggests that Broadcom remains a key focus for strategic investment as the semiconductor landscape continues to evolve. From institutional plays to high-level executive targets, the world of tech investing is always buzzing. We'll recap the biggest headlines and tell you what you need to know next. And that's a wrap on today's tech headlines. We saw Schmidt Investment Management Inc. adjust their Broadcom stake, dove into Broadcom's crucial international sales, celebrated Hock Tan's ambitious AI revenue targets, and noted Acorns Advisers LLC's increased investment. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse for all your tech news needs, hit that notification bell, drop a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all social platforms. We'll see you next time.